Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by positioning the Miller Thunderbolt 225 on a stable bench. This prevents movement during welding. Once in place, make sure the input selector matches your supply, 120 or 240 volts, and confirm the breaker rating. Why? Because incorrect voltage damages the unit. Next, inspect the torch, ground clamp, and gas hose for wear. Connect them securely. Then set gas flow to about 20-25 CFH for an argon mix. This ensures proper shielding when you weld. Once done with connections, choose the welding mode, stick or TIG, and pick AC or DC depending on the material. Aluminum requires AC for TIG versus steel, which uses DC. Next, set amperage based on electrode size. For example, a 1/8-inch rod runs around 60 to 90 amps, and a 3/32-inch rod about 80 to 130 amps. You will fine-tune by running a short test bead. Also control arc length, travel speed, and electrode angle to achieve consistent. To finish, terminate the arc with a controlled pull-off and let the weld cool naturally. Touching hot metal risks distortion. Then inspect the bead for porosity, undercut, or lack of fusion. If defects appear, grind to clean metal and repeat with adjusted settings. If the arc is unstable, first check the ground clamp and tightness of electrical connections, then verify polarity and gas flow. This troubleshooting sequence solves most issues and explains why each adjustment restores a steady arc.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.